Alright, hey guys, what's up? So we're on our day 12 on our learning Kanji grade 1 in Japan. Started off, we have our kanji for blue or aoi. It's just really easy, alright? And then our second kanji is stone or ishi. Third kanji for today is akai or red, and also for akachan for baby or infant. Fourth kanji for today, evening, and examples are yugata, which means evening, yushoku, dinner, yuhan, evening meal. Alright, there you go. So that's our 4 kanjis for today. And let's go to our examples. Example for today. 今日の夕飯は何ですか? What's dinner for today? Second example is 青いと赤い石を見たいです. I want to see a blue and red stone. Alright, so that wraps up our 4 kanjis for day 12 learning kanji grade 1 in Japan. Thank you for watching.